Welcome to my channel, and I am doing the program to find the middle digit of any number, and this is the important program for class 10th appearing board examination. So let's continue. First we create a class named middle digit. Firstly we import the util package. So we can write import java dot util dot asterisk. Second, we will create a class. Class name is as we take a middle digit, so we have to take middle digit. So we take middle digit. The braces of class is open. Now we create a main method that is public static void main string args. We should not use semicolon with the function name as it terminates the function by in starting. Then we open the braces of the main method. Firstly, we create the object of scanner class. So by creating the scanner class object, scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Then we write a message to enter any number. So we should find the middle digit of that number. System.out.print. Enter any digit. Then we take an integer variable, namely int n equal to sc dot next int. Here we take the input of the number which we have to find the middle digit. So let's continue with another part of the program. Firstly, there are two methods to find the middle digit. So we should firstly convert the number into a string type, so it will easily to find the middle digit. So let's continue with making the number into string. So we use the function integer dot to string to convert the integer type value to string type value. So let's continue. String variable num equal to the function which is used integer dot to string, and here we pass the parameter which is the number we take input, that is n. Then we find the length of the string, so we can finally find the middle digit of that number. So calculating the length, we take an int length variable, int length equal to num dot length. As we know, while finding the length of the string, we use parenthesis. So we applied. Now we apply condition, if condition, so that we can recognize that number is even or odd. That means if number is even, then there is no middle number of that. As example 22, then there is no middle element. There is first digit and the second digit. While considering the example of 3 digit, like 1 2 3, the middle element is 2. It is proved that the odd numbers only have the middle digit and the even number do not have the middle number. So we apply condition that if the length of the number is odd, then we can find the middle number. Otherwise it says number don't have middle digit. So let's continue. If len modulus 2 is not equal to 0, it means if we divide the length with 2, the remainder is not 0. That means the number is odd. Then we can find the middle digit of that number. For finding the middle digit, we can use here the function caret. System dot out dot println, as we use printing statement with along with the code. We take a string and we wrote middle digit, then we take some space and concatenating the num dot caret len divided by 2. Here we find the middle digit of that element. So let's continue with the code and applying the else condition, and let's run the program that it should be run or not. Else we write an statement system dot out dot println number don't have middle value. Here the program comes to be end. So what we should do? What we do in this program? We do firstly we take input of any number, then it will convert into a string so that we can easily find the middle digit. Here we will find the middle digit by the function caret, as if the number is passed is 1 2 3, that is the length of the number is 3, then the length of the number is 3. If we find num dot caret length divided by 2, we have length 3. 3 divided by 2, it comes 1 by computer. So on the index 1, the second number element is present, as the indexes start from 0. So that's why if 1 is come according to length, so we find the index that is 1 less than that of length, because length have one more value than index, as index start from 0 and the length have start from 1. So here we comes to end of the program. Finally we compile the program and see that there is error or not, and see there is no syntax error. So finally we run the program, as we open the terminal window. It says enter any digit. Let's we enter the number 1 2 3. The middle digit is 2, and the reality, it is true that the number 1 2 3 has the middle element 2. Let's take another example. Now we take example 22. Then number don't have middle value. As I said, the even numbers don't have middle value. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.